Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 16 touchscreen not working. Your iPhone 16 always processes everything smoothly, but sometimes its screen doesn't work as it often does. Sometimes the display won't respond to touch at all, ignoring all the taps and swipes. In other times, your iPhone 16 touchscreen is not working in some areas intermittently, like the back button and the side swipe. Then you need to touch twice or thrice. Under most circumstances, it's attributed to a software glitch, faulty apps, or outdated operating system. Meanwhile, iPhone 16 touchscreen not responding to touch may be due to dirty display, low-quality screen protector, or a hardware defect like screen cracks. To get your screen working again, below are some proven solutions easy to attempt. Follow the steps in the presented order until the unresponsive screen responds to your touch again. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Trigger a forced start on iPhone 16. When troubleshooting an iPhone 16 unresponsive touch screen, first you should switch off the phone, then turn it back on. The whole process can be done easily by pressing the buttons only without touching the display. Here's what to do. Press the volume up key, then release it quickly. Press the volume down key, then release it quickly. Press the power key and hold it for a few seconds. Your iPhone 16 screen should go dark, then turn black to shut down. When an Apple logo appears, release the power key. Your iPhone 16 will take a few seconds to get past the Apple logo and load the lock screen. Enter the passcode to unlock, and this should get your iPhone 16 screen working again. Step 2. Keep the screen clean. Dirt, fingerprints, and smudges on the display tend to interfere with the touch sensitivity of your iPhone 16, making it unresponsive to any taps, touches, and swipes. To properly clean the screen, remove any cover, cases, or accessories if any. Make sure your iPhone 16 is shut down and unplugged from any power source. Next, use a lint-free, soft microfiber cleaning cloth to gently wipe the display. Avoid getting excess moisture or applying too much pressure. Once done, turn your device back on. Try to test if it makes your iPhone 16 more responsive to your touch after the cleaning. Step 3. Remove the malfunctioning app. This trick only works for those who can still access iPhone 16 when the touchscreen is not working properly. If you've recently installed any apps before the iPhone 16 touchscreen doesn't work, that app could be causing conflicts with your device's touch ability. From the home screen, find the app icon, long tap it, choose Remove App, and select Delete App to remove it. Test if the iPhone 16's display can respond to your touch now. Step 4. Install the latest iOS. New updates on the operating system often include fixes for previous phone issues. If you haven't tried to perform an update, then the latest iOS might include patches for unresponsive screen touch on iPhone 16. We know it's hard to trigger the iOS update via the Settings app with a freezing display, so here's a tutorial of using a computer to do that. Alright, get your Windows PC or Mac computer. Install and open iTunes or Apple Devices app. Especially, if you use a Mac computer running Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later, use Finder instead of iTunes. Connect your iPhone 16 to the computer via a working cord. Next, enter recovery mode first, which is a safe troubleshooting status introduced by Apple used to contact the malfunctioning phone with a computer. Press the volume up key, then release it. Press the volume down key, then release it. Press the power key and keep holding it until you see a connect to laptop screen. If you fail, feel free to try again. Once succeeded, go to the computer. A dialog box should pop up from your opening program, saying Update and Restore. Click the Update option to trigger an iOS upgrade and fix a new iPhone 16 touchscreen not working. Keep your device plugged and wait for the update to complete, which might take at least 1 hour. Once finished, your iPhone 16 will turn back on itself. Unlock the device to see if there's a change in responsiveness with the device's display after the update. Step 5. Restore iPhone 16 to its factory defaults. If the update fails to make your iPhone 16 screen work again, chances are that the issue is not merely a minor bug. It could be a more serious system error like viruses or malware. Thankfully, there is a way you can do yourself to solve it, which is doing a factory reset. It deletes all data and files stored in the mobile phone and brings it back to its original clean state. So, make backup copies of the important content, then follow these steps to perform the reset via recovery mode. Attach your iPhone 16 to the computer and launch iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder. To enter recovery mode, press the volume up key then release it. Press the volume down key then release it. Press the power key and keep holding it until the recovery mode screen shows up like this. Let the device stay connected to the computer and look at the application window. Choose Restore in the opening dialog box and follow the prompted instructions. It then triggers a reset. Wait patiently as the phone resetting takes some time. Your iPhone 16 will boot up to the hello screen after the reset. Set up the device and then the touch screen might be working again. Step 6. Send iPhone 16 in for repair. Lastly, if all the solutions above don't help rectify the touchscreen unresponsive issues, this is likely a hardware issue. Make an appointment with a genius and then visit your nearest Apple Store's Genius Bar or an Apple authorized service provider. The technical guy there will do a touchscreen responsiveness test as well as other hardware diagnostics. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 16 touchscreen not working or responding to touch. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.